Little informative video here today. I don't know if you can see that. That is poison ivy. A little more there. Some young plants there. Not to be confused. See, leaves of 3, let it be. This here's got 5 leaves. This is like a vine. I don't know if there's I think there's a tree right here growing up. Yeah, you can see that tree right there. It's all growing up. It's called creeper, or Virginia creeper. That stuff doesn't affect you. A lot of people think that because it's a vine or growing up a tree, that'll make you itch. I don't know. Maybe some people it would, but for the most part, I don't believe it does. Here's some more poison ivy. This stuff's like all over our farm. This is kind of sparse right here. I've seen places where it's just like really thick. If you do come in contact with it, I don't know how good you can see that. Little blisters on my hand. Yeah, I got into it a few days ago. It's all over my arms, my legs, my chest. I believe I even got it on my eyelids. I think the bottom of my foot was itching this morning. If you do come in contact with it, and you know you have, you get to some warm water and like a dish detergent. You want a detergent, not a soap. And scrub the area good, rinse it real well. May prevent it from getting it. There are products that you can buy. I'm not sure the names of them, but you can have it on hand if you know you're going to be hiking somewhere. You might be getting it. There's also products you can put on after immediate contact to prevent you from getting it. There's a lot of products out there that if you do get it, I mean, itch is horrible. And Ivy Dry used to be one. I don't even know if you can get that anymore. I've got some stuff called Aveeno. Solar Cane works. If you're out in the woods, it itches real bad. This plant here, this is called jewelweed. And I'm trying to find a flower on it here. It hasn't really started flowering much. There's just a couple of little blossoms. It gets a little orange trumpet-shaped blossom on it. And then it'll get a seed pod underneath. There's a little tiny seed pod right there. They'll swell up, almost as big as a pencil, or round as a pencil. And you just touch them and they explode and throw seeds all over. There's one right there. Ooh, I don't know if you caught that. This is normally everywhere on the farm, but because of the drought, it's only growing. It's a wetland plant, but it's also really succulent. There's a lot of moisture in it. You take it, you crush it up, and it gets slimy. It's like aloe. You mush that all up till it gets all slimy, and you rub that on an affected area, my legs, a little on my arm here. Can't hold the camera and show you, but you just rub that on an affected area. That seems to work the best of any of the store-bought products as far as relieving the itch. It's called jewelweed. It's got a lot of other there's a good flower right there. You see that? The honeybees do work that. Normally it's got a lot more, but it's just starting to blossom here now. There's another one there. It's a really good plant. There's other medical uses for it if you're into all that stuff. You can do some research on it. I do believe it relieves bee stings too, although I've never tried it. But hope this has been a helpful video. If you liked it, click like down below. If you're not a subscriber, click subscribe up above. Make some comments down below. Appreciate it all. Thank you very much for watching.